We just saw a deer. Let's see if we can find it. A whitetail. Let's take a look. It was so much fun showing Abigail where her daddy grew up. She definitely loved it. I think she's gone, Abby. I think we missed the deer. I think she's gone. Yeah. My favorite thing on this property, you're going to see it in just a moment, is this carved out tree. It is absolutely amazing. So beautiful. The craftsmanship is phenomenal. Once we were done at Nick's childhood home and visiting her grandpa, we went to this beautiful park and went disc golfing and swinging. It was such a lovely day. I'm so thankful. I mean, look at this. The highlight of the day is watching Abigail throw her disc. And then her cute little response. She was a little upset because it didn't go as far as she'd wanted it.
You did great!
The best sound in the world is Abigail's laughter as she is swinging. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.